Hello, I want to talk about a strategy for addition called the give and take strategy. And this strategy is exactly what it sounds like. It's a give and take strategy. And in this strategy, we're trying to find friendly numbers. Friendly numbers like 10, 20, 30, like 100, 200, 500, like 1,000. 10,000, numbers that are easy to add. And let me show you how this works. So in a problem like 36 plus 99, I can see that I'm really close to a friendly number right here. If I just add 1 to that, I can see that I'm really close to a friendly number. Let me show you what that looks like on our number line. So I'm really close to that friendly number of 100. So we've added our 1. Now I gave 1 to that number 99. So in this strategy, it's a give and take strategy. So to keep this equal, I need to take from this number. So now I'm going to be adding 35 to 100, and I get 135. And this helps because it makes mental math a lot easier. Let me show another example. I have 697 plus 178. And as I look at these two numbers, I can again see that one of them is really close to a friendly number. This one's really close to 700. So if I add 3 to this number, again, I'll show this on the number line, 697, I add 3, which brings me to 700. And now I need to take from this, which would be 175, add 175 to my number, and I get 875. So it's a give and a take strategy. Now, this strategy works well with smaller numbers, but it can also work with bigger numbers in the thousands and 10,000s as well. Let me show how that might work. So in these two numbers, I can see that again, one of them is closer to a friendly number. And 1,989 is pretty close to 2,000. It's actually 11 away. If I count one more, I'd have 1,990, and then 10 more would get me to my 2,000. So if I add 11, I'm going to get 2,000. So again, it's a give and take strategy. So now I need to take away 11 from this in order to get 7,432. And now I'm left with just a lot easier numbers to work with. So when I add these together, I get my 2 here, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, and 9. So they're really easy to work with when we've worked with the two add-ins, those two numbers at the beginning. Last example, a really big number, like 29,880 plus 17,456. Now again, we can use this strategy here. The first number I can see is pretty close to a friendly number. Now, not as close as the others, but if I add 20 to that, I'd have 29,900. And if I add another 100, so now I'm adding 120, that's going to bring me to 30,000. Now I need to take from this number 120, and that would leave me with 17,336. And again, I'm left with really easy numbers to work with, and that's the beauty of this strategy. 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 7 plus 0. And so it's manipulating my two numbers in order to make numbers that are easy to add.